Okay, Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Miss Larma and I'm teaching to you geography as well as history subject. So students, first of all, how are you all? I hope you all must fine. So students, this is your, as you know, this is your geography book. Okay, in this section we cover this chapter, geography of the Muslim world. Okay, very well. Okay, so now we start some questions. Okay, so this is the firstly you can write down date here. Okay, 13 of Jan 13 of July 2020. Okay, and write down the heading of short question answers. Okay, so first question is that what is mean by Muslim world. Okay, you know very well that in our previous lecture we know that what mean by Muslim world, those areas where the Muslims comes occur, where the people Muslim community comes and live and they bound together. Okay, so they are called Muslim world. Okay, so Muslim world are defined as those countries whose government have declared that they are Islamic states. Okay, how their government declared, because the majority in population is Muslims. Okay, so for example Iran, Saudi Arabia, as our country Pakistan is also Muslim community. Okay, and these countries where the majority of the population is Muslims. Okay, it's a very main thing. Okay, the question number 2 is what do you understand by physical features. Okay, physical features on the Earth's surface that has been founded by nature. Okay, those things that are found by nature. Okay, this is not the man-made thing. Okay, so for example like mountains, hills, desert, rivers, lakes. Okay, so right now question number 3 is give the names of the countries which were located in South Asia. Okay, so tell me the names of countries. Okay, which were located in South Asia. So the countries which are located in South Asia, like Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh, then India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Okay, then question number 4 is that what do you understand by highly region of the Muslim countries. Okay, so the answer is the highest region of the Muslim countries are Afghanistan and the Hindu Kush and Karakoram mountains of Pakistan. Okay, now students, the question number 5 is in which parts of Pakistan are desert located. Okay, so this third or Cholistan, third and current. Okay, this is the main desert of Pakistan. Okay, so the next question state about the stretch of the Muslim world. So the stretch about of the Muslim world